Barbie Fortesa update, yung pa-block screening ng 9 Young Basic na endorsement ni Barbie.
Ayan! Ano po ganyan din
Na pa-block screening kay Barbie.
Napakaganda! Palakpakan niyo naman po, of course! Ayan, Miss Barbie. So happy to have you here and ang blooming mo tonight as always. As always, laki mo may on and off camera talaga. Super, like handling your personal problems, if you're going through something, always know that not everything is in your control, and that's okay. You don't have to be too hard on yourself. Forgive yourself. It's all about acceptance. Life goes on. Walang masamang mangarap. Share the same experience. Good experience with 9 Young Basic Collagen Drink. Ang sarap niya pag malamig, parang kung ng pomegranate juice. And then parang you feel like you're more energized, parang you're more alert at work, you get better sleep, diba? At saka napapansin mo na mas healthy looking ang skin mo. Diba? Mas plump, kumbaga, mas hydrated, ganyan, mas refreshed and ready for the day. So maraming salamat for supporting P77 and 9 Young Basic. Diba?
Siyempre, hindi mawala. Babati si Barbie. Happy birthday. Sa pangakain ni Barbie.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Alright, and now,
Hello! Hi everyone, I'm Barbie Forteza. Thank you so much for being here tonight to watch P77. It is an alternative narrative horror by Jenny Pictures. Sana po mapanood po ninyo dahil napakaganda po ng pelikula namin.
Yun.
So let's go watch P77.
Let's go!
Yun.
Thank you po.
Siyempre, hindi mawala. Ayan. Group picture. Group photo op. Saka yan pa. Nag-tiktok pa nga si Barbie. Posing dyan sa photo booth. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates, see Twitter reaction vlogs, stay tuned for more videos. See ya.